According to Teslarati, Stellantis is investing over $406 million in 3 Michigan facilities to support its multi-energy strategy. The largest share, $235.5 million, will go to the Sterling Heights Assembly Plant, which will produce the fully electric Ram 1500 REV pickup truck. This truck is expected to launch later this year. The plant will also build the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger, a range-extended model with both a battery electric motor and a gas engine. Stellantis is also investing $97.6 million into the Warren Truck Assembly Plant to produce an electrified Jeep Wagoneer. This vehicle is slated for a global release before the end of 2025. Finally, the Dundee Engine Plant will receive over $73 million to produce battery trays and components for Stellantis' new STLA Frame and STLA Large architectures. Production on the STLA Frame is expected to start this year, with the STLA Large architecture beginning in 2026. You are listening to UON News.